All right, July 10th. I'm getting tape to all the borders of the drawings in the outside frame here. Really? Is that singing or is that commission? It's also exercise time at the A K Segan Parakeet Hotel. All right, very good, very good. But that singing is perplexing. It's like a real mix of parakeet squawking, aka kvetching, and actual singing. You're listening to Beethoven's Sixth Pastoral. All right, to be continued. I'm going to have to turn the battery off of the sound, like when I go to sleep. And I brought out this bird clock from my kitchen so you can hear the different birds on the hour. All right, to be continued. The masking alone is taking a while. A lot to do yet. And the grouting I'll do section by section, which is the cleaning of the grout that's really, really time consuming, especially when I go into the old dental tools. All right, to be continued. Good show, budgies. Good show, jolly good show, budgie readers. Yes.